TRX is back from the dead. You all know this beast.
Mopar is back. 2027 Ram TRX, 777 horsepower. That's more than your race car. Let's go.
Supercharged Hellcat TRX. The TRX is not just back. It's back faster and more powerful than before with 777 horsepower and running 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds.
All right, Mopar guys, it is back. It's all over the internet, all over YouTube, all over social media. It is your 2027 Ram SRT TRX. It is back, more badass than ever, faster than ever, and more crazier looking than ever. We're talking 777 horsepower and 680 foot-pounds of torque. That's insane for an all-wheel drive truck. There's race cars out here that don't have 777 horsepower. They just don't. So we're gonna be seeing a truck on the highway that will be gapping your Honda Civics with a laptop and so forth. It blows my mind. The Mopar world is, again, always consistently elevating. Let's talk about how they did it. Like I said, 777 horsepower, 680 foot-pounds of torque, and they're doing that through the red block. So they're taking the Red Eye, the 2018 Demon, and the super stock block to help make it more efficient, which is into getting 70 more horsepower out of that motor than the original 5 years ago. They're bringing in a 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. I need you guys to understand, my CTSV 4-door supercharged V8 does not do that on stock level blower. That is how impressive this supercharged V8 actually is from the factory, and it's wild. I just did a best supercharged V8 video, and I left the TRX off, and now we're doing a TRX video. It is paired with a 8 HP 95 8-speed transmission, so if you guys know anything about those are pretty sturdy, and they did help. They did use some of the Demon Superstock Red Eye drivetrain as well to help keep this a sturdy motor. Then we're talking about one of the biggest things. You guys know about Bilstein. Bilstein is heavy in the drag racing world for active suspension or active dampening suspension to help transfer weight and keep a smooth ride. But on this 2027, I'm about to say 2017, wow, 2027, they use the Bilstein Blackhawk E2 dynamic shocks. Crazy from a factory car. Most of the time, Bilstein is an aftermarket part that Mopar is now giving to you from factory. It's basically saying, hey, here's a very fast truck that you can do anything with. Go get it. Next thing, 35-inch tires with the normal beadlock wheel style. I'm a huge fan of the beadlock wheel style, even if it's not for racing. I love the look of it. But 35-inch tires from factory, pretty nice. Cost. Now you're gonna look at that cost and like, oh, it's $100K for a truck that you really don't even use for a truck. I hear you. $99,950 to $103,000 for a 777 horsepower truck. I'm gonna go off and just say I'm fanned out right now, 100% worth it. You guys know I've actually been looking for a truck, shout out to Joe, to be able to trailer some cars with. Who knows, right? But your MSRP is gonna be sitting around that, and then of course you'll have a little bit of dealership markup. It's just like the 2018 Demon, it is what it is. You'll have a few special editions like you see in the video. So we're probably looking at 103 to 110 out the door. What are we talking? Summer 2026. We're talking about 4 to 6 months from now. So for me, summer 2026 is starting to feel like summer 2016. And if you know, you know. And one of the biggest pieces before I get to this, it is $10,000 less than your Raptor R. If you watch my last video, you'll see how much a Raptor R is and how much horsepower it's putting out. It's putting out less than this, and you're getting this horsepower for less than the Raptor R. Again, Mopar has been taking over the supercharged V8 realm for the last 10 years, since 2015 when they brought out the first Hellcat. Next piece, you will have all-wheel drive, of course, as a truck. There's a larger screen with from 12.6 to 14.5, so it's gonna kind of be alongside one of those big tablets or big Tesla-looking style screens. You do get the 2 red tow hooks in the front. You still keep your locking diff for towing and all that good stuff. And it's a plethora of other things that you can see in the video and in some of the photos, but this has to be the best news for all gas-powered and Hemi-powered vehicles, because this is letting us know the V8 Supercharged is not dying anytime soon. We did it, you guys. This EV stuff, throw it in the trash. They lost so much money they had to bring it back, right? Shout out to Ram, shout out to SRT, shout out to Mopar for bringing back one of the craziest trucks that we're gonna see. Let me know if you would buy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. The internet is going crazy. If you would buy it, let me know.
When the Hemi engine died, there was collateral damage. Aside from a part of my soul, something else died with it. We fixed the Hemi engine. Now it's time to fix this. The TRX is back from the dead. You all know this beast. We shocked the world when we launched this truck 5 years ago. For many, it's still Mopar or no car. We don't take that lightly. So as crazy as the TRX was 5 years ago, just resurrecting it wouldn't be protecting that loyalty. It wouldn't be pushing the last 10. This is the last 10.
No way!
That is so sick. But I'm also certain that this stunt is being conducted on a closed course.
Duh.
And that this advertisement does not constitute an invitation, suggestion, or enticement to replicate, imitate, or reproduce the stunt depicted or any portion thereof. In other words, don't try this at home.
Bro, how do you know so much about this legal stuff?
Don't ask.
The Ram SRT Supercharged Hellcat TRX. The TRX is not just back. It's back faster and more powerful than before, with 777 horsepower and running 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, making it the fastest and most powerful gas production truck in the world. Out here in the desert, where the landscape can change overnight, the same is true of the truck industry landscape, which is why Ram is going full throttle to resurrect the power, the performance, and the capability that you want and expect from us.